Happy Monday, plumbers. As you see, it's snowing out. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. For today's adventure, I'm running solo. Today we're going to fire up a Navien, test my baseboard heat, and get this heat going once and for all. As you see, the snow is falling. How was everybody's weekend? Is it snowing where you are? We will see you inside. It has been frustrating waiting, but still the same accomplishment of.
The reason I get a little shook up is I don't like people coming in afterwards.
I know.
So, but nobody's good.
Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got hot and cold. We got hot and cold water filled. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Alright, so we're getting ready to fill up the heating system. True purge coming up. Alright, Georgie. Here we go, baby. Nothing like a present. This should be on. The autofill. You see I got two fills. One goes to the heater itself, which is done electronically.
Okay.
And then you had to have a fill on your heat loop, automatic fill, because you can't purge the heat loop with that fill because the heater has to be on for that to even work. So, of course, by error, I had to call tech support many years ago, and they're the one that told me to put a separate fill on the heat loop.
And a separate one for the
Yes.
tank.
This gets a pipe directly, but with a backflow. So they both have backflows on them. So let's give it a first purge. We'll let it charge up. So I'll listen.
So that's preset now. Basically all on.
Oh yeah, this comes in at 15 psi.
Okay.
Already have a leak. How come we didn't hear that? How come we didn't hear that on the air? Oh, because it was behind the backflow. There it is. Done. Take a gander around, brother.
You're going around there.
Hopefully we will have heat on today, brother. This has been a long time coming. Long story short, apprentices, again, right now I'm filling up the heat system. Straight water. I'm not purging nothing yet. Once this thing stops, I will then purge the baseboard heat loop, which is right here. This is going to be the purge for the heat loop. This is the return coming back. So I'll let it fill up. I could turn this on too. I'll turn it on also. I don't have the heater plugged in. But right now she's filling up.
Well, hasn't made it out of here yet.
I didn't even open the hose yet, George.
Sounds like it went through as far as it could go.
Alright, cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to purge the coil first. Alright?
Alright, that's inside there, right?
Yes. We're going to do this. You're going to start getting something, George. And again, apprentices, the heat loop's filled to where it can't go anymore. The water's going to go through the return. I just have a pipe this way. You can purge it either way on this, with this one and or this one. I'm choosing the feed. So the water's going through, coming through the coil, the pump inside, stops here and then comes out the hose. And out again. Water going in, around the coil, and out the supply, stopping here but exiting via hose to the outside air. I got a drip. I got a drip.
Where?
I don't know, I seen something.
Uh-huh.
Oh, sure. Oh, that tightest expansion tank. Oh, I didn't.
Well, we know it's gonna work now.
Oh my God.
Well, that's good, because you blew a lot of air in it, maybe. It didn't go.
Always tighten your expansion tank in, boys. Boys and girls. See? We had 3 leaks so far. Expansion tank, backflow on the heat loop.
They're all in there. Tiny bubbles.
You can actually hear, oops, let me tighten this. You can actually hear the air coming through.
You can hear it?
Yeah, he can make a noise. I'm gonna give us a little bypass action.
All right, good.
What I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna switch it. Right? Watch this. We did that pretty good. I'm going to do the heat loop and then do that coil again. I'm gonna get a bucket, show the apprentices
Where?
the cheater way.
What's that?
This is for the. I do a lot of stuff for plumbing apprentices on my YouTube channel. So this is what I'm explaining to them how to purge. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Good.
And so now we're going to do the baseboard heat loop. And right here, I shut this valve off. So the water's going in through the air scoop, up the supply, which goes up and through the house. It comes down this pipe, stops here, and goes out the hose. So right now we're getting all the air out. You can see the bubbles of air. I'm going to give it a bypass hit. Here comes the bypass, brother. You listening in there? Yeah, I got the bypass open now. All right, right now I got the bypass open, and you see the bubbles, and you can actually hear it too. So I'll do this for a minute and let you see it, but I'm going to take the. When you can hear water in the pipes, you still got air. So she's purging slowly but surely. There's a lot of floor to ceiling runs here. All air coming out of the heat loop. So if you want to cheat, you can do this, or throw it in a puddle like so. You can actually hear it. It's all air. All right, we're coming to the end of the purge. Yeah.
Sounds like the air's out. I mean, you know.
Sounds nice and quiet now.
Yep.
Alright, so we got the heat loop done. I'm gonna redo the coil. Alright, brother?
Oh yeah, it's running smooth, brother.
Alright, cool. Alright, so I shut the bypass off. I'm gonna disconnect this here and give the main coil a shot. Oh, George, we can turn the gas meter back on, dude.
Alright.
Just turn that meter on, dude. So I'll bleed this coil one more time. Oh, I just found another leak, George. I just found a loose boiler drain. This is what sucks about doing a job and not staying right with it, you know what I mean? You see a pair of pliers, George?
Yeah, here.
What do you got?
No, I'm looking to where this is the bottom one.
Yeah.
This is it. I thought I checked them, because I got the one on the end was loose, and I checked all of them. I didn't see that one.
Yeah. Always check your boiler drains.
Mm-hmm.
Found allowed to talk. You're not allowed to talk, remember? Because every word you say is what? F-bomb city. Alright, brother, let's
You're gonna do the coil, right?
yeah, I'm gonna go from this way now. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, coming out.
Here we go, brother. Ready?
Yeah.
Here comes the coil. Now I'm actually reversing it. I'm letting the water go in the supply, through the coil, on the heat exchanger, out the pump, and out the return, which is right here on the side. And I'm actually a little cold right now. You good, brother? You got the gas on? Up. I'm getting wet. I'll give you bypass.
Yeah.
Still got some air in the coil. Just the final journey for the purging. And then you can also just turn it to off and just open it a little bit. And yeah, and just let it do its job. And you'll hear it crackling. And then again, we good?
Yeah, when you turn it on, the heat goes up.
Yeah. Plus we got the air scoop and the made a mist going. All right, now I'll do this hose hooked up.
Oh wait, I gotta turn that gas on.
Yeah.
I hold that there for a reason, I forgot.
One incomplete thing we do have is the electrician hasn't come yet to apply our line here. So what we're going to do is this.
Oh shit.
I wanted to plug the heater in. I thought we were done, but I forgot we need juice to this. I can make something. I can make something up, but it's just it's just stupid.
I know.
Yeah.
Take that whip, put it over there for now, right?
Yep.
Well, actually,
No, I'm going to just feed my box temporarily. All right. All you plumbing apprentices out there, we got bleed the gas. So what we do is
use pipe wrenches. We
use pipe wrenches. Make sure this is tight. You got the gas on, bro?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound it. Doesn't sound it. Is the gas on here? Oh man, don't say that, dude. Do not even say that. George is a goon. He forgot to turn the service on. We good? He's turning that on. Never do this at home. I'm bleeding it.
Go ahead.
I'm bleeding. That's like gas.
That's not.
No.
Well, no, they put a shit in it, so
Yeah, but it's usually they have a new motor now.
I don't know.
Maybe that's because I'm sick. We bled the gas. Now we gotta just turn this. Make sure it's tight. All right, so now I gotta make a rig for the. What we'll do it this way. I'll plug it in here, and we'll run a wire right to this. All right, and then that'll be temporary, and this way everything works on one connection. One temporary.
Use your aqua staff for.
Yes, one temporary connection. All right, we plugged in our temporary electric, as you see. We sacrificed the extension cord. And we're gonna give it the old, see what happens here. It should go through its pre-purge test.
He was waiting to start up. It's about time.
It's 52. comes the big test. I'm going to jump out the thermostat.
All right. Okay, she kicked on the heat. Yeah, we'll know.
Let's go. Whoa! She's fired.
And that expansion tank must still be good. We got no drip yet.
I hear a lot of air still.
It'll heat up. Yeah, you can hear it bubbling.
$82. That sounds better. So you know how this works, right? So it says 138, 140, right? This is 140 right here, this loop right here.
Yeah, that's your, yeah.
This is your main loop. And then this pump pulls this loop, pulls the heat across and feeds. Is that coming back to return over there? How's that feel? The third one over. This one? Middle one, middle one.
Middle one. Yeah, she's still a little big, but she's cold. So basically now, she's coming through here pulling this way. That's
Yes.
what she's pulling.
Yes.
She goes up, out, and out, right?
Yes.
And then just basically comes around.
Yep.
So this is the return,
And this is the feed.
and there's our feed, yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
I got you. All right.
She's cranking. Still ice cold. Come on.
She's got a lot of water to chase.
Yeah, I know. So today we accomplished many things, and we're hoping to have heat here on today. Alright, we're going to call it a wrap on this heater startup. She's running hot, not up to temp yet. All the baseboard is coming back hot. The rooms are getting warm. It's going to take a while to get the dampness out, but it's all going to come together. You can actually feel the heat coming up, so it's nice. Well, there you have it. We got it done. Navien's running good. Baseboard heat's heating up. It's gonna be a while before that place gets to temp because it's been so cold. So it's gonna work hard temporarily. Really happy with what's going on there. Electrician didn't do us no solace, but we did a temporary electrical hookup until he gets there. No big deal. Got the heat on, and we got it done. And with that, we got another satisfied customer. See you at the next one.